What is harmonic motion?
What is the meaning of life?
Passing math class. Okay, let's get focused. So harmonic motion is repetitive movement back and forth through an equilibrium, or a central position, where the maximum displacement on one side is equal to the other. What would be a real-world example of that?
Well, I looked on Google Pictures, and there were just a bunch of pictures of slides, so it must be one.
Yeah. Don't upset the harmonic motions of the universe! You took quite a fall. Let's see why. You showed all 4 parameters: amplitude, period, phase shift, vertical shift. A sine graph will work best for the harmonic motion showed, since you started at the horizontal line, went to the maximum in one direction, returned to the starting point, and went to the minimum in the other direction. We will start off with the basic form. A. Amplitude. Amplitude is how far the maximum and minimum are from the horizontal line. In this example, amplitude would be how high the swing swings from the starting height. D. Vertical shift. Vertical shift determines where the horizontal line is. For the swing, it would be how far the swing is off the ground. B. Period. Period is how long one cycle of movement takes. In this example, it would be how long it takes for the swing to swing back and forth once. C. Horizontal shift. Horizontal shift determines when the harmonic motion begins. For the swing, it would be at what second the swinging starts.
The beauty of harmonic motion.
Yes. Want to see another example of harmonic motion? Cosine works best for this example because you start on the max on one side, go down to the minimum, and reach the max on the other side. A. Amplitude determines how high and low the max and minimum of the watch's swinging are from the horizontal line. D. Vertical shift determines the Y value of the horizontal line in between the maximum and minimum of the watch's swinging. B. Period determines how long one cycle of watch swinging takes from one maximum to the other. C. Horizontal shift determines when the movement of the watch begins. Hey, you can't die yet. We have to finish our project. I didn't realize the danger of children's play places. I thought you weren't going to wake up.
Let's get this over with.
Okay, let's see how our sun data relates to harmonic motion. The sunrise and sunset of the sun is harmonic motion since it is continuous movement between an equilibrium. Amplitude would be the distance between the minimum and maximum hours of the sunrise or sunset. The horizontal line would be the average of the earliest and latest hours. Period would be 365 days since we are graphing the entire year's sunset and sunrise for our city. Horizontal shift would be the day that we started graphing the sunrise or sunset. And the purpose of modeling data is to visualize moment and time so we and others can better understand and interpret our data.
High five.